Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. This is my Friday night gab and Camille is right here. I don't know if I can get her in the camera. We'll see. Let's just start off by talking about her. She had to go to the doctor this week just for her 3-week checkup, and she's doing great. All of her eye troubles are over. Her conjunctivitis is gone and her chest sounded good. Her breathing is good. She sneezes once or twice, a week. It's, it is what it is, I guess. Blue has a condition where he does reverse sneezes. I don't really know what that really means, but it sounds different. But it's just something that some pets do. And Smudge has had a little congestion. So I may take him tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow. So I may take him with me to see about that. Camille, are you going to behave? She had a rough day because she was just, she was in a kennel all day, and they said she was great. They loved her. They love her. She was well behaved. Then I went and got her to bring her back to my regular job because my regular job's boss's wife wanted to see her. I've been doing that for the last 3 weeks. This is her third visit, and she was, from the minute I picked her up about 4 o'clock until we got home about 6 o'clock, she never stopped meowing. Never. Not even one little breath. Meow, meow, meow. I mean, I don't know how she was still talking. I don't know how she did it. But she was tired last night. She still, had a little energy, but she slept pretty well. So she's in good shape. Camille, you want to say, hey, what's on you? She gets into everything. Look at, she's a Miss Biter girl. So that's going to have to stop. That's going to have to stop, isn't it? So this is her. Look how big she is, y'all. She weighs 3 pounds, 6 ounces. She's a biggie. She's a big girl. She's about 3 months old, but she's going to be big. She's going to be big. She is already big. Anyway, so I'm not sure that I'm liking this lip. I love this lipstick. Love it, love it, love it, but it's dark. So I don't know. Anyway, as you can tell, it's very hot. We have a heat advisory going on, which is funny to me because in the South, it's already hot. So a heat advisory, we're in the hundreds. I don't know what we are in the hundreds, but we are. So let's move on. Did you all, whoever is an annual with Fab Fit Fun, did you customize? Did you get that done? If you forgot, stop right now, stop watching me right now, go do it, and then come back and finish the video if you don't mind. Come back and finish. But don't miss out on customization. Because you want to do that. So the sale started yesterday, and I guess like everything, prices have gone up. There wasn't much on sale. I did find some spongels. I think there was just one regular spongel, and it was $7. And then they had a couple of the double packs. I've shown you all those before, and those were $11, which is a good deal because then they're $5.50 a piece. But they're a little bit different. They're round shaped and they're thicker. And they did have one set. Let's see, they had 3 sets. 2 sets were $11 each. One set was, I forgot now, was it $8.50 each? $8.50? $7.50? Something like that. So I got 3. You can get 3. You can put 3 of most items in your cart. So I have 3 in my cart. I may change my mind. I don't know. But I didn't find anything else that I wanted to pay as much as they were charging for. It seemed a little low of product. I went through everything and it was fast. So I'm not sure what's going on. I wonder, are we still having, I suppose we still are having effects from COVID, from getting things stocked and stuff like that. I don't really know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Okay, Camille, behave. Okay. So this video is not live. Last week I did a live, and I was on a long time, y'all. If you hung out, it was like an hour and 20 minutes. Thank you for hanging out with me. It just is lots of fun. And then when you're saying you're going to go, people start popping in, so you're saying hello to them. So we had a good time. So I usually do a live one Friday a month. Sometimes I end up doing another one, or I'll do a live somewhere on a weekend or something if I have a little time. This weekend, very, very busy. After work, I have to grocery shop, and then I have to get home and get ready because I'm going to a baby shower. And I'm excited about that because I love the lady that's having the baby. I've worked with her for a long time and I know her family really well, so that will be nice. I went to a baby reveal a couple of weekends ago and I had never been to one before and I didn't know what to do. What do you do at a baby reveal? So I asked a couple of people, what do you get if you don't know what the baby is, you know? So I just brought diapers, you know, that's what I brought. And, you know, they'll have a shower for her also. I was told that baby reveals are really meant for close family. So, and those are I don't have any family here, but those friends, my dear friend, Summer, it's her daughter. And I go to their house for Christmas and stuff. So I know her family pretty well. I've known them since they were little kids, the daughter that's having the baby. So they're like family to me. So that was very nice to be invited to that. And that was a lot of fun. And everybody there was team girl, team girl, team girl. I knew for sure it was a boy. I may have told you all this before. But I was the only one with a boy sticker on. I don't know why. I would always choose a girl over a boy. But something was telling me it's going to be a boy. Well, it's a girl. And everybody was right but me. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. What else is going on in our world? I wanted to tell you, Forevershine collections. I had a box that I opened from Julia last week. She sent me some wonderful goodies. She makes everything homemade. You know, I mean, you know, it's all natural and it's home-based, and she's raising children, and she's been doing this for a while. So, and I'm sure you have seen videos of her products. She doesn't have YouTube, but she's on Instagram, and then she sells on Etsy. And lots of people have done videos for her, you know, unboxing her fabulous stuff. She has a few mystery boxes that are going up soon for Halloween, and they look like they're a lot of fun. And the products that she sent me a nice variety of things. She sent me some wax melts, and she sent me some lotion that's lovely, and just, you know, just nice things that are it's just nice to know that they're you know, handmade and they're natural. So go see her. She's got some mystery boxes, and she does sales and things like that. Thank you for your backside there, Cammie. And anyway, so go see her. And also, I wanted to tell you, for the Balance Company, I didn't realize until after I filmed that I do have a code for that company. So if you want to join that, it's something like if 5 people sign up under me, I'll get a free box or something like that. So I know that's a lot. People don't usually sign up under me, and that's okay. I don't care. But that the box I got was a discovery box, and it was a $15 box for all that stuff I got, y'all. I'll put these videos below if you haven't seen them. I thought it was great. How much do we spend on other things? And for all the stuff I got, and I've liked everything that I've tried. And then they have other boxes. They have lifestyle boxes. They have a lifestyle box for men. I think that's really cool. So go check them out. And they do have, I'm holding things because she keeps taking them. They have a lot of their snack boxes. They have vegan products and, you know, things like that. Like gluten-free and stuff. Boxes that are just all that. You can choose that. So I think that's really cool. So I was happy to come across that box. I did see it under Carol Gardner. And then Kim from Hanging Out with Kim and Brenda is, stop Camille, stop. She likes to break things. Brenda is, what is Brenda's channel name? Stop. Bubbling Over with Scents by Brenda Summers, because Brenda sells Scentsy products, but she also does a lot of great unboxings. So go see those ladies. Anybody that I mentioned, I'll put below. All right, Miss Naughty, behave. So I always have giveaways going on, and I have announced a few more winners. I think that video went up this morning, so check that out if you haven't already. And my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. I'm thinking that's ending this weekend. I'm thinking. I could be wrong, but check that out. And hopefully I'll get to film this weekend because I'm just not going to be home much. So hopefully I can get it done. If not, it'll be delayed a little bit. Stop biting me. She's in this horrible biting stage. Horrible biting stage. So, yeah. couple of y'all have told me to flick her ear, flick her nose. Flicking the ear didn't work. I haven't tried flicking the nose yet, but right now I'm giving her something to play with so that she'll leave me alone. So this is all about, it's all about Camille. All about Camille, my life is now. All right, so if you win anything from me, please get with me because I may not have your address. And also, I did want to say, that's another thing, is when I got the wonderful candles from SoulBay. They're rechargeable tea lights, and they have other products. You know, when you are on Amazon, at the top of the item that you're looking at, whether you're on the computer or whether you're on your phone, at the top, above the description or the name of the product, it will say if they have a store. And so it says visit SoulBay store, something to that effect, and it's blue. So you can click on it and see all the other products that they sell. They have a great list of products. So go check them out because those tea lights, there's 12 of them and they're $36, maybe 99 cents. I forget what the change is. Well worth it because those recharge. Those will last for a very, very long time. When you charge them, they last for 42 hours. So you can go to bed and forget about them and they're not going to bother anything because they don't get hot and they don't burn. They're not going to hurt anybody. They're not going to hurt your pets. They're not going to hurt you. They're not going to hurt your air. And they're a fantastic deal for $36.99. But they have a little box you can click. Now, the day that I recorded it, I looked and there was no box to check off. And since I recorded it, I have seen other people show it, and some of them knew about the box and some of them didn't because it's not always there. So check it out and look for that 30% off. A steal. If you like candles and if you like to decorate, you're gonna really like those. Camille, stop. And I think that's about it. I may have to finish because she's driving me to drink. So let me know what you think about Fab Fit Fun this season. I did cancel. When I say that, I finished my year and then I canceled. So spring was my last box. I waited till it was almost time for me to renew. They were going to charge me in the beginning of July. So I canceled and I waited for a fantastic offer that didn't come. It still hasn't come. So I did a little tricksy and I signed up under a different email. Because I saw an offer for get a box for free. So I'm getting a summer box again. It's in transit. I don't know when it will be here. But the pickings were slim. There were only like 3 items left in each category. So, you know, it won't be the best box I've ever had, but I think that the products that they show us are pretty nice. So I think it's worth it. First of all, it was free, so it is worth it. But I'll have a whole year now. I signed up for an annual. So I'll get my first box will be the fall box, and then I'll get some winter, spring, and summer again, and then it'll be time to sign up again for fall, and then I may have to do another tricksy at the time. I have been a member of Fab Fit Fun for 3 or 4 years, and I've never done that before, so I think it was time. I think they needed to give me something for free, so we'll see what I get, and you'll probably see some of it in future giveaways. And was there anything else I needed to tell y'all? I'm sure there always is. There always is stuff. Oh, I did want to say this. If you're still here, I have done a few shorts lately of the cats, of Camille, and they're really super duper cute. Super duper cute. But if you are subscribed to me and you have hit the notification bell, so on your phone, subscribe. You hit subscribe. I think it's a white bell. And then if you hit it again a couple of times, it turns dark. And then you can also say no notifications, because if you're getting too many notifications, it might aggravate you. But hopefully my notifications don't aggravate you. You know that I pretty much put a video out every day. So you really don't need to see the notifications because to look for me every day. But if you want to make sure that you find out if you want anything from my channel, it's good to have the notification bell on so that you don't miss that video that comes out, because I always do a video for my winter announcements, always. I don't put it on my community tab because a lot of people tell me they don't see my community tab because you don't get a notification, and you don't get a notification about shorts either. You don't get one. So they're super cute. Super cute. Smudge is licking all on Camille. I love it. And then Camille's hard day after going to the vet. That's went up, I think, last night. and super cute. So go check them out if you can. If I can, you know, I can't share them on my community tab, but I can share the link, I think, below. So I'll put them in the description for you to find them. And that was what I wanted to tell you. So even if you, all right, so if you are here, you're probably subscribed. But if you are here and you're not subscribed, I hope that you will consider subscribing, because y'all, I'm getting so close to 2,000. You know, every channel wants to grow, and every channel wants to grow. So yeah, I want to grow. So tell your friends about me. If you like me, share me out to people you know, people you love. Tell them, hey, go watch Mary. She does great giveaways. She does giveaways all the time, because I do. Anyway, so that's what I want to say. If you are still here, I would love it if you would put a flower emoji below in your sentence. Say, hey, Mary, you know, whatever you want to say to me, and a little flower in there somewhere, okay? And I just would like to know that you're here till the end. And that's it. So thanks for watching. And I know when you're watching my videos, I know that YouTube puts a commercial. I don't know if they put them at the beginning. I don't know. When I watch my own videos, because, you know, when I go to post them, I watch them to make sure that everything's okay. They put a commercial at the beginning. I will say, thank goodness they're not putting they used to put like a 30-minute video. I mean, a 30-minute commercial on like an 8-minute video. It's like, come on, YouTube. I haven't seen one of those in a long time, y'all. But if you watch the commercials, if you watch the commercials, I appreciate it, because they give me a couple pennies. So I appreciate that. And thank you very much. And anyway, just wanted to thank you for being here. Y'all mean so much to me. You really, really do. And you know that I adore you, and I want you to be subscribed to me so that you can win giveaways. So subscribe, and thank you. And if you think of it also, thumbs up the video. A lot of people watch my videos, and I only get, you know, like say if 150 people watch and I only get 50 thumbs up. What else are y'all doing? Are y'all not liking them at all? Or what's going on? Tell me if you don't like them. I mean, maybe not, maybe not. I don't want to know if you don't like it. I guess if you don't like my channel, you know, then go elsewhere. There's lots of channels to like. There's lots of channels to view. But I hope you like my channel, because I like you. So anyway, thank y'all for stopping by. This is getting too long, so I'm going to get off of here. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm sorry about this really deep. This looks like it's October. Anyway, I love the lipsticks, though. It's really great. This is Odin's Eye. It's a liquid, but when you put it on, it dries, and it's not drying, but it's not coming off. It's not going to come off on my cup and stuff like that. So it's beautiful. Thank you, except it's too dark. Too dark for right now. Have a wonderful weekend, y'all. Happy summer. Stay safe in this crazy weather. Heat warnings here, so everywhere else that you have that going on, stay safe. Be careful in storms and all that good stuff, and love y'all. And good to see you. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. Count your blessings. Bye.